Sick of tearing your hair out, wondering why your videos aren't getting the views on YouTube they deserve? You could be making a really common mistake a lot of new YouTubers make, and in this video I'm going to tell you what that is and how to fix it, so keep on watching. Most of us know that YouTube is a search engine, so if you want to get seen on YouTube, then it helps if you're making content for YouTube that people are actually searching for. And it also helps if you give your videos titles that people are potentially typing into the search bar as well. Sounds like the perfect formula, right? Make videos people are searching for using video titles that people are typing into the search bar. So then why aren't people finding your videos and why aren't they getting any views? Well, one of the problems could be that your videos aren't getting ranked on the first pages of search. So no one is getting a chance to see them. If you think about it, when you type something you're looking for into the search bar, you're probably only viewing the results that pop up on the first page, possibly the second or third if you can't find what you're looking for, but usually we don't go past the first page. So as a new YouTuber, one of the goals for your videos should be to get as many of them ranked on the first page of search as possible. This was my initial strategy for my follow along workout channel, Garage Fitness Girl, and it paid off because it helped me get seen in the super crowded fitness niche and grow my channel to over 116,000 subscribers in 2 years. So I know it works. Now, if you're already making searchable content with searchable titles, then why aren't your videos getting ranked in the first few pages of search? Well, here's where most new YouTubers make their first and probably their biggest mistake, and that is they choose video titles that are way too popular. Now, I know that probably does not make a lot of sense right now. Like, how could giving your video a highly searched title be a mistake? Well, the truth is, when you give your video a popular title, you're expecting it to be found in a pool of hundreds of thousands of videos with the same or similar title. And when you're new to YouTube and you have absolutely no channel authority, you cannot expect to be seen and be ranked on page 1 of YouTube search when you're picking titles with hundreds of thousands of searches behind them. It just doesn't work that way. When you're starting out on YouTube, you want to find video titles and topics with the lowest possible pool of searches. Those video topics and titles are what's going to allow you to be seen by your ideal audience and get ranked on page 1 of YouTube search without having to outrank millions of search results. So let's take a look at what I mean. If we head over to the Google search bar and I type in full body hit, you can see there are almost 32 million videos that I'm competing with if I use that title for my video. Now, if I title my video full body hit with weights, you can see the competition goes down. Now there's around 8 million videos. But if I take it one step further and title my video full body hit with weights and body weight, you can see the competition drops significantly. Now there's only 1,700,000 videos that I have to compete with. So can you see the difference? It's still the same video, but in tweaking my title, I'm giving myself a much better chance of ranking on the first page of YouTube search results. So let's try another one, but this time we're gonna think about the same title but in a different way. If I type in Pilates for a strong core, I get almost 10 million search results. But if I try Pilates core sculpting workout, I only have 483,000 searches to compete with. That is a huge difference, and hopefully you can see how just changing up the wording in your title opens up so much more opportunity for your video to get ranked in the first few pages of search and get seen by more people. Let's do another one for the guys. I'm gonna type in bigger arms workout, and you can see I get over 15 million searches. So how can I rephrase this or think about it differently? Well, you can get some ideas and some inspiration from this box here that says, people also ask. I could try grow bigger arms workout, and that does reduce the search pool, but I like the sound of this, fix my skinny arms. So let's try fix skinny arms workout. And that's perfect. We've basically halved our search pool. Now, if you wanted to take this a step further, you could use a keyword tool like Keywords Everywhere or TubeBuddy to help you come up with video titles that are a good fit for your channel size. Personally, I use them both to find titles and tags for my videos, and I'll put links to both of those down in the description for you to check out. But if you're not at the place where you want to spend the money or time to learn how to use those kind of tools, then using the Google search bar and just spending some time rephrasing and rewording your titles is a really great place to start getting your videos ranking in search and seen by more people. And another great way to get seen is by promoting your videos across multiple platforms. And if you want to know how to do that, check out this video right here. And until next time, guys, take care.